In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch and efficiently use the Bookings app within Microsoft Teams. This step-by-step guide will walk you through setting up a booking calendar, configuring it to fit your needs, and simplifying your appointment scheduling process. Let's begin by launching the Bookings app within Teams. If you're already familiar with this feature, you know how integral it is for managing appointments seamlessly, especially in a collaborative workspace like Teams. Once you're in the app, you'll see a prompt to get started. At this point, you have a decision to make. If you're setting up everything from scratch, choose New Booking Calendar. This will help you create a fresh calendar customized to your requirements. Alternatively, if you're looking to adjust or continue with an existing setup, select Existing Booking Calendar. Either choice will guide you to the next stage, where you'll configure the necessary details. Now, let's dive into configuring your calendar details. You need to input essential information such as your business or department's name, some relevant contact information, and any additional details that might be necessary for clients or colleagues to know. This initial setup is crucial as it reflects on all communications sent out from the calendar, so accuracy is key. The next crucial step involves setting up services. This is where you'll define the types of appointments or services you intend to offer. It's important to be thorough here, specifying the duration of each appointment type and assigning staff members accordingly. Additionally, make sure to set the availability for each service. This ensures that your clients can easily understand and book the services that suit their needs and your time frame. Let's move on to scheduling appointments via Teams. Start by opening the Bookings app again within Teams. Here, you can either click on New Booking or simply select an available time slot directly on the calendar. This user-friendly interface makes booking intuitive and straightforward. Once you've chosen your slot, you'll need to fill in the appointment details. Begin with attendee information. Make sure to include the name and email address. Next, select the appropriate service from your previously defined list and assign any necessary staff members if applicable. Set the ideal date and time for the appointment, ensuring a good fit for both parties involved. Make sure the online meeting option is enabled to generate a Microsoft Teams meeting link. This step is crucial for virtual meetings, facilitating a smooth transition from scheduling to meeting. Finally, once everything is set up, the Bookings app will send a confirmation email to the attendee. This email will include the Teams meeting link, making it easy for the attendee to join the meeting at the scheduled time. By following these steps, you'll streamline your appointment scheduling process and enhance your team's productivity.